This is not a wig. It's fucking real. If it was a wig, it'll fucking come off right about now. Yeah, I got it black. You like my shirt? It says Mount Vernon, because that's where I actually live. Hometown.
How in the fuck are you about to say? The way that we do it, it's not the way. No, don't you sweat it, you not in the way. Nothing you do could be in my day. Cash is fuck on my bed, I lay. Look at the ceiling, it fade away. Stressing and checking on me for a blessing, but I can hear nothing, I'm gone for the day. Sure you can afford that, I get it. Looking like a bum, only think I'm holding pennies. Pull out your mortgage, just spend it in a minute. Take it how you wanna, get mad when you get it. Blame everyone around you for the money you ain't getting. Boy, man, up to the life you ain't living. Times I get chillin', sometimes I'm forgiving my mind. And I'm running to the fucker when I see you. Loose knit, cotton chains banging off my body, sounding like a dog walking, razor barking. If you buy me, let the scotch light blind them, let the switch freestyle them. I ain't never going back to what I did back in how. Old bones, new flows, still flicking ash up on my clothes. 1-800 dead boy if they need to hit my phone.